Everything you need to know about Akon City. Hello Displorers, welcome to another exciting video presented to you by Displorer and thanks for watching. In this video we shall be taking a deep dive at the magical city created and currently being constructed by one of Africa's favorite musician turned entrepreneur, Akon. Akon had a dream for a specific city and he is bringing it to life before our very own eyes. So in this video, we are bringing you everything you need to know about Akon City. Akon is the first artist to develop such an idea of having a futuristic city in his name. But before diving into Akon City, let's have a quick background on Akon. If you are new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and turn notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Background of Akon. Alium Damala Badara Akon Thiam, popularly known by his stage name Akon, was born April 16, 1973 and is a Senegalese-American singer, songwriter, record producer, entrepreneur, philanthropist, and actor from New Jersey. He rose to prominence in 2004 following the release of Locked Up, the first single from his debut album Trouble, followed by the second single Lonely. He is the first solo artist to hold both the number 1 and 2 spots simultaneously on the Billboard Hot 100 charts twice. Akon has had 4 songs certified as 3 times platinum, 3 songs certified as 2 times platinum, more than 10 songs certified as 1 times platinum, and more than 10 songs certified as gold in digital sales. Akon has released songs in other languages including Hindi and Spanish. He was listed by the Guinness Book of World Records as the number 1 selling artist for master ringtones in the world. Akon often provides vocals as featured artist and is currently credited with over 300 guest appearances and more than 35 Billboard Hot 100 songs, resulting in 5 Grammy Award nominations. He has released 6 solo albums and has handled the majority of production on his solo work and guest features. Alongside this, he also produced records mainly for artists on his respective labels, as well as for other artists such as Michael Jackson, Snoop Dogg, Lionel Richie, Leona Lewis, Sean Paul, and Whitney Houston. Forbes ranked Akon 80th in Forbes Celebrity 100 in 2010 and 5th in 40 Most Powerful Celebrities in Africa list in 2011. Billboard ranked Akon number 6 on their list of top digital songs artists of the decade, and its accolades just keep accumulating as the years go by. Now that you have a clear idea of who Akon is, let's dive into our bone of contention. Akon City Project. Akon currently has an initiative he started in 2014 called Light in Africa, in which he provides solar energy to countries and communities in need using solar panels to tap from what we have in Africa in abundance, sunlight. This initiative is currently operated in 14 countries and he hopes to take it global. Besides that, he has also launched his own currency called Akoin, which is a digital currency. All these previous projects play a huge part in Akon's new adventure. In 2019, Akon dropped 2 studio albums after the launch of his new music label, Akonic Label Group. These albums were titled El Negrito and Akonda. After giving his fans some music to enjoy, Akon went on to embark on one of his most iconic moves and biggest projects ever, building a futuristic city called Akon City. In 2018, Akon announced he was working with the Senegalese government to build a tourist city with a cryptocurrency-based economy named Akon City. At that time, it was said that the 2,000 acres of land just few minutes from the Blaise Diagne International Airport and around 50 kilometers from the capital of Dakar was given to Akon by the Senegal president, Macky Sall. It is said to be currently under development and will be the first 100 crypto-based city with Akon's own cryptocurrency, Akoin, at the transactional center. On January 13, 2020, Akon shared on Twitter that the agreement for a city in Senegal had been finalized and the project is underway. He captioned a photo of himself with Senegal President Macky Sall, looking forward to hosting you there in the future. Akon had been planning the crypto city since 2018. The city plans on trading exclusively in Akon's digital cash, known as Akoin. And the city is actually 5 minutes away from the Senegal International Airport near Mbodiem, a small coastal village in the west of Senegal, West Africa, less than an hour's drive of the South New Blaise Diagne International Airport in Dakar. Akon City plans to have parks, universities, schools, a stadium, hotels, and an industrial complex fully completed by 2030. It was first stated that the city will use the airport it will be close to, but later on Akon said the city will have its own airport. Who will construct Akon City? In June 2020, it was announced that the engineering and consulting firm KE International will be in charge of the construction of Akon City. KE International Projects and Clients is a sustainable development with a modern design and high technology company based in the US and globally, including India, Middle East, and Africa. They specialize in green city designs, transportation technology, healthcare, and many more environmentally sustainable projects. They are the same firm responsible for building MMTC Well Medical and Technological City, which is a green city based in Western Kenya. The Akoin cryptocurrency, which is built on the Stellar Payment Network, will also be used in the Well Medical and Technology City upon completion. MMTC commenced construction in 2014, and the construction project is 85% done and expected to complete in December 2020. Recently, it partnered with the Akoin platform for its blockchain-based digital transactions. Because of its solid portfolio and sustainable construction project, KE International has been awarded a $6 billion contract to build the city. How Akon City will function. After the pop singer announced on Twitter that he finalized the agreement for a city named after him in Senegal, the city was also approved by Senegal's state-owned Sapco Tourism Company. Apart from using Akoin currency and renewable energy provided by Light in Africa projects, the people of Akon City will pay for everything in a cryptocurrency, Akoin, meaning no cash at all. To fully understand how the currency will function, the project website gives a good explanation of how the Akoin works. Akoin is a cryptocurrency powered by a marketplace of tools and services, fueling the dreams of entrepreneurs, business owners, and social activists as they connect and engage across the rising economies of Africa and beyond, the project's website explains. Although Akon was born in St. Louis, Missouri in the United States, he is of Senegalese descent, and he lived there as a child until he was 7 years old. This is why he feels at home and wants to develop Africa to the best of his ability while still preserving the natural essence of the continent. Akon City is expected to become an ecotourism destination run entirely on renewable energy through the work of Akon Light in Africa and the rapper's solar power project. In an interview with Nick Cannon in November 2019 on Power 106, Akon said that construction of the city began in March 2018, and Phase 2 is expected to begin in 2025. There is a 10-year building block scheduled until the city is ready for visitors. Akon has spoken about his wish to make the city futuristic and innovative to make the dreams of African children come true. There aren't many details available about Akon City, but it's most likely that it will have some sort of philanthropic angle, as most of Akon's works have been so far. When I travel, I see many things that happen. So many people that need assistance and so many things that need to be resolved, Akon said in an interview with Cannon. And if you can have $1 billion sitting in the bank while you have all these people suffering and struggling, man, to me it's just crazy. I really want to make the biggest impact on Africa for sure, Akon said during a 2013 interview with CNN. If I could have my way, Africa would be the United States of Africa. The $6 billion futuristic cryptocurrency-themed city will be one of Akon's numerous philanthropic works. When will Akon City be completed? Akon City's Phase 1 is expected to complete by the end of 2023 and will see the construction of roads, a Hamptons Hospital campus, a Hamptons Mall, residences, hotels, a police station, a school, a waste facility, and a solar power plant. Akon City Phase 2 will run from 2024 to 2029 and will end with a complete cryptocurrency city running exclusively on Akoin cryptocurrency. For Akon City's first and second phases of building, KE International has secured $4 billion from investors. Dubai-based Bakri and Associate Development Consultants will lead the architectural designs of Akon City under KE International's guidance. The Senegalese tourism ministry known as Sapco described the designing as a lease agreement for a futuristic city in the coastal village of Mbondien, West Africa. The agency said the songwriter is committed to supporting the promotion of tourism activities in Senegal. A representative of the state-owned Sapco told AFP that the deal was a memorandum of understanding linked to the development of a sustainable complex that will reportedly consist of 65 villas. Speaking to Newsweek in 2018, Akon voiced hope that the city could one day rival Dubai, but noted that it was intended to be a long-term project spanning decades. He said, "With the Akoin, we are building cities. the first one being in Senegal, the singer explained. We are securing the land and closing out all the legislation papers for the city. We wanted a free zone and a cryptocurrency driven as a test market. If it works, we will scale it out to other countries in Africa so all the cities are connected. It's going to be a 50 to 100 year project most likely. I probably wouldn't even see it finish. But for the project in Senegal, we have a 10-year deadline for the city to be built out. We are currently raising all the money for it now. Some of it will be through hedge funds outside of Africa, and the majority of it will be through NGOs and investors within Africa itself. He said it will hopefully become an entertainment city for tourists. Details about financial investment were not released, and it is not immediately clear how his plans for the Akoin cryptocurrency project will be implemented into the city plans. Akon hopes his Akoin crypto will be used all over Africa, where a significant portion of the population remains unbanked, but smartphones are widely used. In conclusion, Akon City will definitely be a game changer in modern day history because it will be the first and only city to use digital currency exclusively if it works. Akon is definitely changing lives in Africa and the face of history as a whole with his moves. First, he brought in solar renewable energy through his project Light in Africa. Then he launched his own currency called Akoin, now a sustainable city based only on cryptocurrency. This is going to be life-changing, and we hope that he can have all the funds he needs to pull this project to completion. There you have it, explorers. That was everything you need to know about Akon City. Thanks for watching this video. If you want us to cover any of your favorite entertainers, leave a suggestion in the comments and we will do well to grant your request. Also, if you did enjoy this video, do well to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.